The 12 by 12 comes with both the glass and the top all in one box. And we've had good luck shipping them that way. Let's unbox your 12 by 12 Puppywarmer incubator. For the 12 by 12, the top and the glass are all in the same box. What you'll notice about the 12 by 12 enclosure is that there are 4 half moon retention clips. You just want to rotate them so the flat edge is toward the inside. You'll also see tape across the top and right here. That's for packaging purposes. You'll want to remove that tape. If you've seen the 12 by 12 before, what you'll notice it's different in the new top that we've just developed. The vents are smaller so that the dog hair can't fall through and contact the heater. We also have a PID controller. That stands for Proportional Integral Derivative. What you need to know about that is it not just monitors your temperature, but it monitors rate of rise and it adjusts the electricity to the heater proportional based upon how close you are to set point. Also in the 12 by 12, we were able to find a solid state relay that we can fit inside this unit. So it now has a solid state relay just like the 18 by 18 and 18 by 24. So you have all the performance of an 18 by 18 or 18 by 24 in a size that will accommodate smaller puppies, toy breeds, small breeds, and for some rescue, they call it the nightstand incubator for that one puppy. So let's go ahead and take the instructions outside. What you'll see inside the unit are instructions, a business card for contact. You'll also see a fleece insert. While it's best for the puppy to be on the bare mat the first day when it's processing colostrum, after that it's less critical. And we include 1 fleece insert. They're available in 3 packs on puppywarmer.com. So the trick with installing a 12 by 12 is you just want to make sure that this sensor is inside the unit. Put the top on and rotate the half moon clips. So the top is securely in. There are 2 D-shaped holes in the back of the unit. Just inside this D-shaped hole, there are several C channels that you can push your oxygen line into so you can position the oxygen line and adjust the height. You'll also see a user replaceable thermocouple. So if there's a time that the thermocouple gets damaged, we can ship you a thermocouple and you'll be ready to go as soon as it comes in. What you'll also see in this unit is a user replaceable thermocouple. We're now ready to plug in your 12 by 12. So what you'll see on this side right now, you'll see a red down arrow, which is telling you you're below set point, and it'll stay that way as it's heating up and reaching set point. Once it reaches set point, you'll see a green box that'll appear right here, and that's letting you know that you're within about 1.5 degrees either way of what your set point is. You'll see a green OUT light, and what the OUT light does is it lets you know that at that moment the controller is putting electricity to the heater. So as it's heating up, you'll see it on more. When you're at set point, you'll just see pulses about every 10 seconds or so. So now that we've reached set point at 88 Fahrenheit, you'll see this green block show up right here. That's telling you you're plus or minus 1.5 degrees of your set point. If you want to raise the temperature on the new units with the TC4Y, controller, you can raise the temperature just by hitting the up arrow, or lower the temperature just by hitting the down arrow, and then it accepts your entry in about 5 seconds. If the temperature was below set point when it's heating up, you'd see a red down arrow. When it's above temperature, you'll see a red up arrow. There are more instructional videos on our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube and type in Puppywarmer, all one word, and that'll take you to our page. If you ever lose your instructions, they're always available on puppywarmer.com. Just go to the product page for your product, and there's an option to download the instructions right there.